Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. iOS 15.3.1 is out now, but not showing in your iPhone in downloads or software update. Today in this video we are going to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to remove beta profile if you have any. For that, first we have to go to settings, scroll fine and tap on general. Here we have to tap on VPN and device management. Now check the list is there is any iOS beta profile, then remove the iOS beta profile. After removing the beta profile, go to software update and check the problem will be solved or not. If the problem still exists, then we have to do the following steps: settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and check the list is there is any iOS update available. Delete the update and try to re-download. Then go back to settings and general, tap background app refresh, tap again background app refresh, and turn off background app refresh. Now go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and disable low power mode. Next step that we have to do, go to settings, tap on general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset network settings. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. And try this method as well. Go to settings, tap screen time, and turn off screen time. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.